Okay, let's be real for a second. Have you ever been deep into a huge grant proposal and just felt completely buried? Like you're drowning in formatting rules, you're cross-referencing docs for the hundredth time, and you're just trying to keep your head above water. Well, what if I told you that feeling, it isn't your fault? It's actually a sign that the system itself is broken.
Exactly. And, we have the data to prove it. Just look at this number, 16. 16 months. That's the average amount of time before a grant professional burns out. And the most important thing to get here is that this isn't about someone not being good enough at their job. This is a symptom of a massive problem across the entire industry.
It really is an industry failure. I mean, think about it. The burnout comes from that soul-crushing administrative work, right? Especially when you're dealing with those monster applications from, say, USAID or the EU. You find yourself spending all your energy wrestling with compliance documents instead of doing what you're actually brilliant at, telling the powerful stories that move your mission forward.
Okay, so that's the problem. But what if there was a way to completely break that cycle? I want you to picture something, a totally new framework, a new way of thinking that lets you shift from all that drudgery to pure strategy. A much, much smarter way to work that actually gives you back your time and, honestly, your creative spark.
You know the old way all too well, right? It's the manual formatting, the all-nighters fueled by coffee, that constant knot in your stomach about missing a deadline. But the new way? This is the game changer. It's a concept from this guide called the 70-30 model. The big idea? Let AI handle the tedious structural stuff, freeing you up to own the strategy. And the result? Way faster turnaround, and you can get more quality proposals out the door.
So let's break down this 70-30 model. It's actually super simple, but so powerful. Just imagine offloading that huge 70% chunk of the work, all the formatting, the compliance checks, even the first rough draft, to an AI. That frees you up to focus on the 30% that only a human can do. We're talking about the high-level strategy, the storytelling, and building those real relationships with funders.
Okay, I know exactly what you're thinking right now. It's the big elephant in the room. This all sounds great, but can I really trust an AI with my organization's most sensitive, confidential data? And you know what? That is the single most important question to ask. So let's tackle security head-on.
The answer lies in a concept called zero training architecture, and it's a non-negotiable. What it means is simple. It's an explicit guarantee from the AI company that they will never use your data to train their models. Your project plans, your beneficiary stories, your secret sauce, it all remains completely private and siloed. It's your data, and only your data, period.
And believe me, the difference here is night and day. If you use one of those general-purpose free AI tools, you're basically feeding their global brain. You could type in your organization's unique proprietary methodology, and no joke, it could spit that out for a competitor next week. But with a purpose-built platform, it's a closed system. It's designed from the ground up for security, using top-tier encryption to make sure your donor information is always locked down.
And it goes even deeper than that. These professional-grade platforms are built to handle the tough stuff, like international regulations. They help ensure you're compliant with really strict data laws and things like GDPR. That's a whole other level of security and peace of mind you just won't find with the free tools out there.
All right, so we've established that the tech can be secure. But there's another big question. What do the funders think about all this? Can AI actually help you meet their super demanding compliance rules? Well, the answer is a huge yes, but maybe not for the reason you think.
See, this is a total mindset shift. The AI isn't a cheat code to get around compliance. It's an engine to enforce it. A purpose-built tool can automatically check your proposal against the funder's guidelines line by line. It can literally map your story directly onto a complex USAID impact matrix. It's like having a hyper-vigilant assistant making sure you're ticking every single box to improve your score.
And the great news is, many funders are already on board with this. Major bodies like Horizon Europe are fine with AI as long as you're transparent about it. And here's an example of how simple that can be. This statement clearly says, hey, we used a secure AI to help with formatting and compliance, but all the thinking, all the strategy, and the final say-so came from our human experts. It's all about honesty, and it completely protects your credibility.
So let's step back for a second. When you combine the power of that 70-30 model with the security of a purpose-built platform, something really profound happens. Your role begins to shift. You stop being just a proposal manager, and you become a true mission strategist.
It really all comes down to this one core idea. The AI provides the structure, you provide the soul. Think about that.
You let the machine handle the boring, mechanical stuff, and all of your incredible energy, your deep expertise, and your passion for the mission, that's now saved for the parts that truly, deeply matter. But how do you make sure the output doesn't sound, well, generic and robotic? Here's how. You create your own secure internal knowledge hub. You feed the AI all of your greatest hits, your past successful proposals, your best reports, your logic models. The AI then learns to write in your organization's unique voice based on the work you've already done that you know works.
So what does your new day-to-day actually look like? Well, it boils down to this really simple but powerful three-step workflow. First, you build that private knowledge hub with your best work. Second, you let the AI generate what we call a skeleton draft. It's the basic structure, all the right headings, the compliance stuff. And then, the most important part, step 3, you come in and weave in the human story, the context, the soul.
So, we want to leave you with one final thought. Just take a moment and honestly ask yourself, what could you achieve if you got 70% of your time back? All those hours, even days that you currently lose to administrative burnout, what would you do with them? How many more key relationships could you build? How much more funding could you bring in to drive your mission? Really think about it, because the possibilities, they're absolutely transformative.